In this video, I am going to be teaching you how to use Canva to create designs, YouTube thumbnails, flyers, logos, whatever it is you want to create. I'm here to help you. This is what Canva looks like. This is the landing page of Canva. You can see different different icon. You can see YouTube, presentation, social media, document, YouTube banner, phone wallpaper. All those things are categories of designs that are available on Canva. If you click on any of those, you will find different templates, over 20,000 templates of designs that you can choose to customize depending on what you want. Then the next line, you can see recent designs. The recent design is design that I have created. So if you log in your Canva account, any design you created will go under recent designs. Here you can see your stories for IG stories, TikTok stories, and Facebook stories. If you want to create a story post, you can just click on them, pick on any of them, customize. If you want to change text, you change text. If you want to change color, you change color. If you want to change the background, whatever it is you want to do. You can see Instagram post, presentation, like all these things. I'm just scrolling so that you can see it. All these things are different templates. You can see a search bar up there. Any template you want, you just click on that template and it will show you click on the template, type whatever it is you want, and it will show you, it will bring out, click on the search bar rather, whatever you enter, whatever you want, be it reels, presentation, Instagram stories, Instagram posts, just type it on the search bar and it will bring out different templates for you. From there you can pick the one that aligns with your brand, be it color, design, or whatever it is, anyone that aligns with your brand or catches your eye, you can just pick from there and you edit to suit whatever it is you need it for. You can see documents, you can see flyers. If you want to create any post on your business, you can see invoice. You can even generate invoice, even resume, even ebook. All those things are available on Canva. Canva is not just for designs alone. All those things are available. Videos, everything. Canva creates it for you. Like these are designs that have been created by artists and designers and uploaded. What you need to do is just click and customize to suit whatever it is you need it for. And I think it's basically the same thing. I'm just scrolling through all of them so that you can see it. Just make sure you have an eye. If you design something you don't like, you delete it and try again. You delete and try again. If you're starting Canva for the first time, you will most likely not like what you're designing for yourself. And there's nothing wrong in just removing the design as it is here and changing the text. If you feel, okay, I'm not good at designing, just pick anyone you want, change the text, and then use it like that. Provided it's fine and it aligns with whatever it is you are doing, there's no problem. Nobody will say you should not do it. So here we are going to add photos to this photo collage. We are adding photos, and to add photos, you come here, you click on upload. If you click on upload, you click on device, you import from your device, and you add and you adjust. The same thing. You see what I am doing? I am picking from the images that I have uploaded on my phone, right? You see, you can click on upload files to open your gallery. From there, you pick whatever it is you want to add. If you like, you add photos. If you want, you can add element. Here, I want to add element on the fourth frame. So you see, I want to add if you want to add element, you click on element and search the kind of element you want. Here I want a subscribe button. I just ask for subscribe button. If it's a dollar sign, if it's an error note, if it's a phone or location icon, whatever it is you want, you type on that search bar. If you click on elements, type on the search bar, it will bring it out, and then you will be able to edit. You see, I want to add an effect. Can you see? Like you can adjust. Are you seeing what I am doing? You can adjust, you can reduce, just anything, you see. So next we are creating a YouTube thumbnail. If you want to create a YouTube thumbnail, you type on YouTube thumbnail or banner, whatever it is you're creating, and pick. Here are different templates of YouTube thumbnail. You can just pick whichever you want. I am picking this one to customize. So here we are going to, from here, these are images I have uploaded, but if you don't have any, you can click on upload files. It will open your gallery, and from there you pick, and anyone you've picked, it will come and stay there just in case you want to use it again. If you don't want, you can delete it from there. So now I want to remove that guy's image and put my own picture. So you see, I just import it. Immediately you click on upload, you click on the file, it will bring it here. Then you can adjust to fit the frame, whatever it is you're editing. This is too big. I am going to reduce so it doesn't cover the text. Do you understand? And after then, I am going to come down to, you see where they wrote text and whatever, I clicked on remove BG. I'm sure you saw what all those things there. Just scroll, you see whatever it is you are looking for. If you want to remove background, you click on remove BG. It's going to remove the background. So here we are waiting for it to remove that background. Just watch and see what will happen. Just give it some time. It's still loading. You can see it's rolling. The remove BG is rolling. If it's a magic eraser you want to use, whatever it is you want to use is available. Just pick from these options here. But I just use remove background and remove my background once so that I can have a clean video, just in case your background is interfering with the designs, like it's going to change the design to not let it give what it's supposed to give. You can just remove your background, so you use the background of the template you're editing. You can still change the background color. You can change the background color if you don't like what is, like if you don't like the color. You see, can remove my background. Let's say you don't like this background, this image, the template color, you don't like that color, you can click on the entire frame, click on the frame, then click on scroll, click on color, to give you different colors. You pick from there and you change it to whatever it is you want. You can also change text, like I said. You see, I am trying to change text now. Just come to text and it will give you click on text. Wait, you see, it will open all the text, subheading, heading, and body. Then you click, you type depending on what you want. You can change fonts, you can change style, you can increase the size, you can reduce, you can type in caps, you can even change text color. And text color is different from background color. To change text color, just click on the text. It will bring out different options down here. You click, you see where it said color, you click on color. If it's a background color you want to change, click on the frame, then go down there, you see where it said color, style, text, whatever. Click on color and change your color. It's that simple. Yeah, I think that's the most important thing we've done. Every other thing you want to design it same way. There's nothing different here. What you just need to understand is just how to add text, how to remove. If you want to remove on any image, click on it. You're going to see something like a trash can. Just click on the trash can and it will delete. That's how it works. You can adjust, you can increase, you can reduce. You see, I'm trying to change color just to show you that, okay, you can increase the color. You can increase the contrast. Just play around with it. You are learning, right? You're getting familiar with it. Play around, create different designs to see. The more you create, the more you get better at it. But it's really a very simple tool that anyone can use, provided you watch and listen, like you follow instruction. You can see camera roll. Camera roll is when you want to record or you want to snap what you want to edit directly or what you want to upload. Like it's not on your camera or not on your gallery. You want to snap and add. That's when you use camera roll. Here I am coming to pick an element to add to that design. So I'm picking the YouTube subscription button. This one also has a background. I will just reduce the size, then click on BG remover. BG stands for background. And see, we're waiting for it. See, background is gone, and now we have our design. Just simple how to use Canva. I hope you understand. If there's any more question, please, you can put it in the comment section and I will respond. If it means I need to create a video, and I will.